students, how are you all? Little tiny tots. Today in this English class we will study chapter Happy Deepavali. What is Happy Deepavali? A great festival of Hindus, isn't it? Everybody is so happy to celebrate this festival. We have a lot of enjoyment, entertainment on this day. We have a lot of things to do on this day. So let's read the chapter. Now before that, I am giving you some clues. You have to guess which festival it is. आपको clues सुन के बताना है कि ये कौन सा festival है. So we play with colors on this day. हम इस दिन रंगों से खेलते हैं. Which festival it is? Holi. We keep gifts under a decorated tree. हम एक डेकोरेट किए हुए सजे हुए पेड़ के नीचे गिफ्ट्स रखते हैं. Which festival it is? Christmas. Christmas festival. We decorate our houses with lamps and light. हम अपने घर को लैंप और लाइटों से डेकोरेट करते हैं, दिए जलाते हैं. Which festival it is? दीपावली. We make a sweet called सेविया. हम एक मिठाई बनाते हैं जिसको कहते हैं सेविया. Wear new clothes and pray at the mosque. नए कपड़े पहनते हैं और मॉस्क यानी मस्जिद में जाकर प्रे करते हैं. So which festival it is? Eid. Muslims celebrate Eid and they go to mosque. So now students, let's read this story and find out how Rohan celebrates Deepavali with his family. Festivals are celebrated with the family. Whole family is united together to celebrate the festival. So here also how Rohan celebrates festival with his family. We will read in this chapter. Rohan was playing chess with his father. रोहन क्या कर रहा है? अपने फादर के साथ चेस खेल रहा है. He heard his mother call him from the kitchen. और उसने अपनी माँ की आवाज सुनी. Which sound he heard? His mother was calling him from the kitchen. उसकी माँ उसे रसोई घर से बुला रही थी. Rohan, can you come and help me clean the storeroom? रोहन, क्या तुम आ सकते हो और स्टोर रूम को क्लीन करने में मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो? Students in our family, children in our family, they help their parents. Whatever they can do, they try to do to help their elders, to help their parents. Asked his mother, after we are done with the storeroom, I need you to help me clean your bedroom as well. Now mother, one more work she offered. Okay, so what she said, क्या बोला उन्होंने कि हम स्टोर रूम साफ करने के बाद क्या करेंगे? तुम्हें मेरी हेल्प करनी है अपना बेडरूम क्लीन करने में. No mom, today is Sunday. Please let me enjoy. रोहन ने क्या कहा? No mom, no mama, today is Sunday. आज तो संडे है. Sunday means it's holiday. And let me enjoy. मुझे प्लीज आज enjoy करने दो. But Rohan, we need to get the entire house cleaned in the next week. But Rohan, what mother said, we need to get the entire house. पूरा घर हमें क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट वीक तक, आने वाले वीक तक हमें अपने पूरे घर को क्लीन करना है. डोंट यू रिमेम्बर दैट दीपावली इज जस्ट 15 days अवे? क्या तुम्हें याद नहीं कि दीपावली केवल 15 दिन दूर है? मीन्स आफ्टर 15 days Diwali will be there. So preparation is going on in the Rohan's family. Aunt Simi and your cousins are coming to celebrate Diwali with us. Now what mother said? Aunt Simi and cousin. Whose cousin? Rohan's cousin. They are coming to celebrate. I told you in the beginning that during the festivals, whole family unites at one place at their ancestral homes, most probably to celebrate the festival together. Oh yes, how could Rohan have forgotten? रोहन कैसे भूल सकता था? दीपावली इज जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर. जस्ट अराउंड द कॉर्नर मतलब बस आने ही वाली है, आसपास है. इट वॉज रोहन्स मोस्ट फेवरेट फेस्टिवल. और दीपावली रोहन का सबसे फेवरेट, सबसे प्रिय त्योहार है. He did not mind helping his parents clean the whole house before Deepavali. और उसे बुरा नहीं लगता, मीन्स वो अपने आप मदद करता है. किसकी? अपने पेरेंट्स की. As you know that before Deepavali the preparation starts around 20-25 days before. Cleaning of the house, the mother starts cleaning the house 20-25 days before the festival. क्या करते हैं हम? घरों की सफाई 20 से 25 दिन पहले से शुरू कर देते हैं. Why? Because it takes a long time to clean each and every room, to clean each and every corner, to enlighten it with diya, with lights, with candles on the day of Deepavali. He did not mind helping his parents clean the whole house before Deepavali. After the house was cleaned, it was painted with a fresh coat of paint every year. Now Rohan's family, they used to color their house every year. हर साल वो अपने घर में पेंट करवाते हैं. So when do they do this? After cleaning of the house, they do the painting of the walls as well. Their house looked beautiful on the night of Deepavali. और दीपावली की रात को उनका घर कैसा लगता है? बहुत सुंदर लगता है. Every year after the house was cleaned, Rohan's mother and grandfather started making sweets. Now the procedure of celebration of this festival. See, first the cleaning is done, and then painting of the house is done. And then mother and grandmother, they start making sweets for the festival. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook and liked making all the sweets at home. They don't buy anything from the market. वो कुछ बाजार से नहीं खरीदते और सारी मिठाइयाँ घर में बनाते हैं. They have been making lots of delicious items every Deepavali. क्या बनाते हैं? बहुत सारी टेस्टी आइटम्स, टेस्टी मिठाइयाँ वो घर में ही बनाते हैं. Rohan's mouth started watering at the thought of the delicious gulab jamuns and gujiyas. And Rohan's mouth started watering. मुंह में पानी आ गया. किसका नाम सुनकर? गुलाब जामुन and गुजिया का नाम सुन के रोहन के मुंह में पानी आ गया. That he would be eating in a few days, जो वो कुछ दिन में खाने वाला है. Finally it was Friday. और लास्ट में अब कौन सा दिन आ गया था? Friday का दिन था. Next day was Deepavali. Means Deepavali was on Saturday and this was a day before Deepavali. Though everyone was happy, Rohan was very sad. अब घर में सब लोग खुश थे, लेकिन रोहन कैसा था? रोहन उदास था. His mother had said that she will not buy any crackers for him this year. Why Rohan was sad? रोहन क्यों सैड था? क्योंकि उसकी मदर ने कहा था कि वो इस साल कोई क्रैकर्स नहीं खरीदेंगी. क्रैकर्स मीन्स पटाखे. रोहन के लिए पटाखे नहीं खरीदेंगी. And I know children love most. What do they love most? Burning crackers. आपको पटाखे चलाना बहुत पसंद है and you are very excited to burn it. But that is why Rohan became sad. So he went to his father. फिर वो कहाँ गया? अपने फादर के पास गया. Dad, I want to go and buy crackers. Dad, मुझे जाना है और पटाखे खरीदने हैं. A whole lot of them, said Rohan. और थोड़े बहुत नहीं, मुझे बहुत सारे पटाखे खरीदने हैं. Just then his elder sister Anjali came into the room. तभी उसकी बड़ी बहन अंजलि रूम में आ गई. Who took a pledge in school to say no to crackers? Now what she reminded? She reminded to her brother that you have taken pledge in the school. तुमने स्कूल में प्रतिज्ञा की थी, pledge की थी. किस लिए? No to crackers. No crackers on Deepavali. Asked Anjali, don't you remember Rohan? All the students of our school have promised not to buy crackers this year. Now she reminded that in the school all the students have taken pledge that they will not buy crackers this Deepavali. सभी स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स ने स्कूल में प्लेज लिया है कि वो इस साल कोई पटाखा नहीं खरीदेंगे. Don't you remember how much smoke and dust the crackers caused last year? Now what she reminds, she says that क्या तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि हर साल कितना धुआं और कितना पोल्यूशन लास्ट ईयर दिवाली में पटाखों की वजह से हो गया था। रोहन वॉज साइलेंट, और रोहन कैसा था? साइलेंट था, ये सब चुपचाप सुन रहा था। ऑल हिज हैप्पीनेस वैनिश्ड, और उसकी सारी जो खुशी थी वैनिश हो गई, गायब हो गई। आफ्टर ऑल व्हाट वाज दीपावली विदाउट क्रैकर्स? नाउ ही थॉट, what is Diwali without crackers? Means no enjoyment, because students, they enjoy crackers only. Anjali knew her brother was very fond of bursting crackers. Now Anjali को पता था कि मेरे भाई को पटाखे चलाना बहुत पसंद है। Oh, come on Rohan, we will make a rangoli with the colors I have. Now with excitement, खुशी से वो क्या कहती है कि रोहन, मेरे पास रंग है और हम रंगोली बनाएंगे। She said, trying to cheer him up. Cheer him up, उसको खुश करने के लिए अंजलि ने ऐसा कहा। I will put fairy lights all over the house. मैं पूरे घर में लाइट्स लगाऊंगा, फेरी लाइट्स लगाऊंगा। सिर्फ ग्रैंडपा ने कहा। He also tried to cheer him up. You will have to help me, रोहन, और तुम्हें मेरी मदद करनी पड़ेगी रोहन। I have bought new clothes for everyone, said mom. Now mom, what mama said? Mama replied, mama ने क्या बोला? Mama said that I have brought new clothes for everyone. मैं घर में सबके लिए नए कपड़े लाई हूँ। You can taste all the sweets to make sure they are tasty, added grandma. ग्रैंडमा ने क्या उसमें ऐड किया? तुम ये सारी मिठाइयाँ टेस्ट कर सकते हो, ये बताने के लिए कि क्या ये टेस्टी बनी है। Now रोहन brightened up. अब रोहन चमक उठा, रोहन खुश था। He couldn't wait for the next morning, और वो अगली मॉर्निंग तक का वेट नहीं कर सकता था। It was indeed a very happy Deepavali for him. और ये कैसी दीपावली थी रोहन के लिए? यकीनन बहुत खुशी वाली दीपावली थी। So this was the chapter how Rohan celebrated Diwali and he was happy without bursting crackers. बिना पटाखे चलाए भी उसने अपनी दिवाली बहुत खुशी से मनाई। So that's all children. Today we have read chapter Happy Deepavali. So thank you students. If you like my way of teaching, please like my video, comment on it and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe it to get latest updates of my video. So that's all. Bye bye.